Times change. Technology changes. And CAD technology has also changed. So why do we still send 2D drawings to manufacturing when we are designing in 3D? When manufacturing is using 2D drawings, they need to interpret your designs. Is that an extrusion or a cut? And now, repeat that interpretation many times for even a simple drawing. When you're ready to add dimensions and tolerances, you need to create more 2D documents. And good luck trying to keep these updated as your design changes. And when it comes time to send your specs to manufacturing, the link between product design and manufacturing is often broken, mainly since 2D drawing specifications are not readable by computerized manufacturing equipment such as coordinate measuring machines. Bottom line, 60% of 2D drawings don't match the original 3D design, and that's a huge problem. So, why not start with a CAD tool that automatically adds dimensions, tolerances, and annotations all in 3D? Introducing SOLIDWORKS Model-Based Definition. With SOLIDWORKS MBD, you jump right into 3D modeling and product manufacturing information and forget the ambiguity of 2D drawings. Your designs are crystal clear right from the beginning. Dimensions and tolerances are included right in the 3D design. Need to make changes? No problem. Updates are automatic. And when you are ready, 3D Product Manufacturing Information, or PMI, will drive downstream operations automatically, such as computer-aided manufacturing, coordinate measuring, and 3D inspection scanning. The machine-readable manufacturing data means your production is automated, based on your exact specifications, and gets your product to market faster. With SOLIDWORKS MBD, you eliminate ambiguity, reduce scrap and rework, streamline your operation. Model-based definition is indeed an exciting new technology in design and manufacturing. SOLIDWORKS MBD, intuitive 3D dimensions and tolerances, better design communication, faster and more cost-effective production. To learn more about SOLIDWORKS MBD, contact your SOLIDWORKS reseller or visit our website at www.solidworks.com/mbd.